Hey, Chris here, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about which Bet365 offers you should be avoiding in order to keep your account for as long as possible. There's certain offers that Bet365 put on that are very, very good offers, but they will get your account red flagged and get you gubbed or banned very quickly. So I've noticed a pattern over on the live streams that we do here on the channel of people asking, which ones should you do, which should you avoid. So I just want to put this all together in this video and give you some helpful tips as well on various ways to make money with your Bet365 account. Before we get into it though, I'd just like to mention the Profit Boss Match Betting Facebook group. Please do join that via the link down below in the description if you're not yet a member. There's just over 3,000 members now, which is pretty insane to be saying. I remember when it was just like 10 members, so really cool if you get joined up to that. And as well on top of that, be sure to check out the Profit Boss free money guide page, which is now new and improved over on the Profit Boss website. Basically, any offer that I find that's not match betting related, I'll put on that page, and I've put a risk level and how much hourly rate you should make from that offer. So do check that out. There may be an offer on there that you've not yet done because, as I say, it's not anything to do with match betting. But getting on the laptop here, this is the Bet365 offers page. And we can just see here, so special offers, and they, of course, just list out the very best offers that they have there. And Bet365, their offers are literally the best of any bookmaker because they are literally the largest online bookmaker in the world. So they can afford to put on better offers than other people, or other companies, should I say. But if we jump over onto this other sports tab here, I just wanted to firstly point out an offer that you should definitely be avoiding, which is this early payout offer, which is on all of the American sports. So the reason why I'm sort of advising people to stay away from American sports early payout offers is because if you think about it, if you're in the UK, Bet365 will look at your account and see, okay, this person is not just here to bet on random things, they're targeting these exact sports here because they have a match betting strategy type offer attached to them. The next thing I wanted to do is jump over to this horse racing tab and talk about the ITV Racing 4-to-1 offer. Now, don't get me wrong, this is an insanely good offer, and you will very much highly likely be able to find very close odds matches and get on horses at like 100% odds match without any trouble whatsoever. And you'll be able to get risk-free bets on the next live ITV race of up to £50. Don't get me wrong, as I say, it is a fantastic offer, but if you're just getting on that regularly or even not so regularly, it's another offer that will get you gubbed very, very quickly. And then here, if we jump onto the soccer tab, I want to talk to you about this board draw money back offer. Now, that is just an offer where if any of your football matches, or soccer as they call it here, but if any of your football matches and 0-0, as the title of that offer is, board draw, if it ends in a draw, they will refund all of your back stake. Now, again, insanely good offer. I'm not saying it's not a great offer, but it's just another one that will be highly likely to get you gubbed very, very quickly. Now, before I tell you which offer you really should be targeting with your Bet365 account, and I'm sure the regulars of the channel already know what I'm going to say, but before I tell you about that, I just wanted to mention about the fact that Bet365 are now sending people out these £5 free bets. Whenever they notice someone's using their account quite often, they'll just randomly credit you £5 worth of free bets. Now, it's in my opinion that if you just ignore that £5 free bet, you would be much more likely to keep your account for longer because, as I say, if they review your account, you really, really stand a better chance of keeping the account if they see that, okay, this person isn't actually using free bets that we're sending them on a, quite regular basis. For anyone that's not yet to set up a Bet365 account, something that I think is well worth mentioning is the fact that, yes, you can do their welcome offer, so their bet £100 to get £100 free bet, or bet credits as they call it. And people ask, like, can you do that welcome offer? Is it, does it look dodgy if you do it and you take that, £75, £80 profit from it? And absolutely, it's well worth doing. And you can actually, you don't have to do a whole £100 bet to get the free bet in £100. You can do it as 5 separate £20 bets, or you could do 10 £10 bets, and you'll just get the free bet credited in smaller amounts there. Now, the way I would personally treat your Bet365 account, and this is just based off my now 3 years of match betting experience, is I would really be looking to set a Bet365 account up and start with £20 back stakes, doing this 2 goals ahead early payout offer, also known as the 2-up strategy. And once you've done like a few weeks of just £20 back stakes, you would then move up to like £50 back stakes. Then when you have the bankroll to do it and you want to further progress and make more profit from it, you'd move up to £100 back stakes, but never go over those £100 because as soon as you go over £100, I just noticed that I ended up losing account after account. So definitely don't go over a £100 back stake there. Now you can use your Bet365 account for the extra places strategy because they do offer quarter odds on their extra place races. But definitely you don't want to be doing that every single week or every Saturday. You want to only be doing that on really major horse racing festivals, such as the Cheltenham Festival, which is every March. And even then, you don't want to do it on every single race, maybe just 2 or 3 at the max out of the 7 in a day. So I hope you've learned something from this video, and if you've had any value, please do now take the time to press the like button. It is appreciated. Until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.